disaster has struck. We don't normally get many storms, but we did last night. And we've lost a few things, I think. Let's go and have a look. First one, and most noticeable, we have a broken banana tree. I wouldn't normally mind, except it's got unripe bananas on it. Let's go and have a look at the tree itself. It's split just up here, as you can see. I'm not sure we're going to be able to save that, but we might just try and prop it back up a little. If we can. What other damage have we got? My new greenhouse has survived okay, by the look of things. Still not finished, but it's getting there. Moving up the back, not much can happen up here, so I think it's all okay. Passion fruit's still not ripe, but that one's getting close. No, it's all okay up here. I'm collecting my limes at the moment. As you can see, lots of them. Right, let's go down to the subtropical zone and see what's happened down there. Our other one that had bananas on it, it's also come down. Oh, look at that. Such a shame. A few things blowing around here. Lids come off my raised garden bed there. That's okay. The rest of them look like they're all right. Tamarillo's blown over, but again, looks okay. Yeah. And that's come down. We'll cut this one off, I think. There's two of them come down. Oh dear, oh dear. It looks like the main issue is we've lost a few banana trees. Come in and clean them up, see if any of the bananas will actually ripen, but it's still pretty small. That's a hell of a shame, but if that's all the damage we got, that's good. Get many storms in your area? Probably a lot worse than this. If you do, let me know in the comments. You reckon I'll be able to save the bananas? I don't think so, but we'll give it a shot. Enjoy life, stay safe out of the storms, and I'll catch you in the garden.